Hi, today is actually Saturday, so it's the weekend, so I'm gonna make a dessert. And it's gonna be key lime pie, which is Miami native dessert. If you've ever been to Miami, I'm pretty sure you've heard of it. And the interesting thing, it's the easiest really dessert that you can make. And you completely need only a few ingredients. And also, I'm gonna make it without any sugar. Well, it's not sugar-free dessert, but I'm not gonna add any extra sugar, which I really don't understand why a lot of those recipes out there ask for additional sugar when you use condensed milk. And if you ever tried condensed milk, it's pure sugar. So we're gonna just use condensed milk, limes. You can use key limes, but they're very tiny, they're hard to get, and yeah, squeezing them, it's gonna be some kind of work. I don't know how many it's gonna come out, but you need about a cup of the liquid. So I have few, and depends on how big your limes are and how juicy they are. So basically, use as many as you need to have 1 cup. And just 2 eggs. That's pretty much for the custard. Now for the crust itself, I'm gonna use butter, no sugar. And here I have some cookies, but normal crust I use is the one with Graham cookies. I don't have them, I don't feel like going to the store, so I decided to use these. Hopefully they're gonna come out the same way as the other one, but I'll strongly suggest that you use the one that I always use, which is the Graham crust. I'm gonna put the link down below for that recipe from my cheesecake recipe. So if you need the instructions to see how you're gonna make it, use that. All right, so let's get started then. Melt 4 tablespoons of butter. And I'm going to use 24 cookies here. It should come out to 1.5 cup. I decided I would use NutriBullet for grinding, as I had luck with grinding oatmeal before. It is a small appliance and less cleanup, so I thought I would take the risk. Needlessly to say, the risk didn't pay off, and I had more dishes to do. The cookies on top didn't want to move, so I do not recommend using NutriBullet to grind cookies for your crust. Time to bring the big guns. The Custard appliance. I love it, but it is big. It has a lot of parts, and it takes me longer to assemble and put it together, all the pieces, and I am left with that to just clean. But it does the job in no time. Grinded cookies should look like this, sort of like beach sand. And combine the crumbs with butter. It will initially look like you do not have enough butter, but when you continue stirring, the crumbs will become more and more wet. It should look like damp sand, not wet sand. The wetter it gets, the harder the shell will be after baking. You will need a 9.5-inch baking dish. I suggest you grease it before you lay the crumb mixture. I didn't do it and had trouble taking first couple of pieces out of the shell. Push the mixture down and let the crumbs come up and form a wall around the shell. Do not press too firmly. Bake the shell for 15 minutes or so and let it cool completely before adding the custard. It smells incredible. In the meantime, prepare the custard. This is the easiest dessert you will ever make, and so delicious if you, of course, like the sour lime flavor. And even though I do not add any sugar to this key lime pie, it is still very, very sweet. Put 2 cans of condensed milk into large enough bowl to mix. To that, add 2 eggs. And right now I will just go ahead and squeeze the limes. Rolling and pressing them first helps in making them softer, thus it will help release more juice. I need about 1 cup of juice, and in this particular recipe actually I ran out of limes, so I ended up with a bit of less than 1 cup, but you know what, it didn't make any difference in taste or texture. So I guess it's just a great way to adjust the sour flavor however you like. So mix the eggs to incorporate very well. Once you're done, add lime juice and mix it until it's fully incorporated. It must look nice and smooth. Just like this. This looks perfect. Next, let's pour the custard into cooled shell. And before you put it in the oven, shake it a bit to even everything up, making sure the custard spreads over the dish evenly. Bake at 325 degrees for 15 minutes. Remove from the oven and let it cool slightly before you place it in the fridge. This custard needs to be refrigerated for a minimum 2 hours. I let it cool overnight. And once it's ready, and I like to eat a lot, so I divided it into 8 pieces, but they are really big. For a normal human being, the size of pie has at least 12 servings, I would say. It is so delicious. You really don't need to use any extra sugar. This custard is creamy and perfect consistency. Crust came out just perfect, not too thin, not too thick, just right. I am taking back what I said at the beginning of the video. No graham crust. This one is so much better. Less sweet, buttery, just perfect for this sweet custard. Just try it yourself and leave a comment below, like if you haven't already, and I will see you on the next one.